Hello, and welcome back to What's Happening at the Library in June. I'm Sarah.
I'm Elizabeth.
And we have summer reading.
Summer reading! I'm so excited.
It's kind of like our highlight event of the year.
Yes,
is summer reading.
it is.
And we have a ton of events coming this summer.
We do. Kickoff.
Kickoff is the
June 5th. Saturday, June 5th.
Mm-hmm.
Both libraries having huge events.
Yeah, one of the big ones at camp is at CCPL is the author fair. We're going to have Dennis Davis. He's a Wyoming author, and he's going to be doing a writer's workshop that day. And then he's going to do an author talk, and then it's going to be a local author fair that afternoon. So up-and-coming authors from our community are going to be there. And so that'd be a great time to come and familiarize yourself or take the workshop.
Yeah,
you know, the writer's
I think it's
workshop
really cool. I really like how libraries support local authors, and this is a great way if you're looking for something new to read and come out and meet the actual author, hear about their books, and check it out. So,
and the teens are actually doing their own writers workshop. It's not part of it's in June 16th, and they're going to use have AP Mobley come and do it.
Yes.
She's been doing a writer's
awesome.
class.
Yeah.
And so she's going to do it for the teens.
Yeah.
So I think
that's great. She was a big hit last time she was here. The teens loved it. So that was great. And then Kurt Wendelboe is here, or CM Wendelboe, I guess is his official title, is here on Saturday, June 12th. So he will be doing an author talk then as well. So we got a lot of authors, author fairs, etc. On June 5th. But also on June 5th, we're doing...
parking lot party.
Yes, basically a parking lot party. We got food trucks coming. We have vendors coming, booths. There's going to be, I heard, don't quote me on this, but I heard there might be goats. So if you're excited about what goats look like in the library parking lot, but I mean, it's going to be everything. So a bunch of community members coming out.
I think Paw Patrol is going to make an appearance.
Yes, they are. So. Chase, Marshall, and Sky, thank you. I always forget the third one. They're all going to be there, so come and hang out at the library
11
on June
to 2
5th.
on June 5th.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's at the Gillette Library. The Wright Library is also doing a bit. We're going to have fun on the go. It's in conjunction with the Baca chapter in Wright, so they're putting on. We're going to have food trucks there too, handing out grab and go crafts. So both libraries have big summer reading kickoffs on June 5th.
Yeah, the theme for summer reading is Tales and Tales. So tales, animal tales, and then story tales.
Yes.
And so that's going to be our Wild Wednesdays is kind of the theme. And that's when throughout the summer, our big programming is going to happen, our Wild Wednesdays. A slew of people
of programs.
Coming. Some magicians, Lego guy, and they're in-house. So we're actually going to have people coming into the library again.
No virtual ones this year. So they're always on Wednesdays. We have 4 straight ones. 10 a.m. slot at Wright Branch on that Wednesday, and then 1:33 and 4:30 slot, so 3 different slots at the Campbell County Library. So
we're expecting the community to come out and participate this year in person. So we're excited about that.
Yes, we're very excited about that. So we've missed you. Come back to the library.
The full schedule is on our website and the calendar, and that's a great way to keep up with the events.
Yep. We're also going to have an adult grab and go craft. I think we talked about this a little bit last month too. The fire starters. So if you're going to go camping or hiking or anything this summer, and you want to just pack in a quick fire starter with you, we got some grab and go craft. So that's while supplies last, starting on June 1st. So come and grab that at the Campbell County Library in Gillette.
Yeah. The teens are having a bunch of activities this summer too. The Dungeons and Dragons workshop. Sounds really cool. It's kind of like if you've never done Dungeons and Dragons, this is a good time to come and learn about it. It's been really popular. The group at the library has had a lot of fun with it this year. That's June 7th and June 21st. They're also doing a Teen Tales escape room. Those have been wildly popular. It's just another chance to do an escape room in our community. It's in the basement at the teen room, and that is June 8th. And then we just have a bunch of other things. They're doing their own summer reading program. They're going to do theirs on Read Squared and a bingo card. And for every 150 pages or 150 minutes, you get a prize.
Yeah. I know about Read Squared, which is the app reading log that we do at the Campbell County Library. If you started out with it last year and it ran into some troubleshooting problems, and so come back and give it another chance. We had some bugs we had to work out last year. It was the first year we did it. But we got it all worked out this year. I think it's going to be a little bit pretty seamless this year. So definitely come check it out and try that again if you like the concept of keeping track of your reading on the app. Yeah. So come and try that again.
Makes it easy.
Yep. We also have a program on June 26th called Know Your Medical Insurance, which is I need to go. It's so confusing. The whole medical, everything, it's just very confusing. So if you have some questions about that, what is insurance, best for me, you know, how do I do this? What paperwork do I need? I think this might be a good program. So Saturday on June 26th at 10 a.m. at the Gillette Library. And this is taught by Donna Schwindinger, who has over 40 years of experience in healthcare as nursing, lab assistant, medical group practice administration, and billing code. Yeah. So
she's everything.
She's got the whole experience. So she'd be a great resource for you.
Absolutely.
So definitely come out and check that out.
And I think that's about it for, I mean, like I said, lots of summer reading programming. Yep. So come check out what's happening at the library in June.
Come pick up your logs. We'll see you in July.